Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English teacher. Let's start our lecture. Here's the bridging, and I hope you have solved it. And here's the answer of that bridging. Let's see what learning outcome we have today. Today's LIFFT number 21. Demonstrate use of pronouns antecedent agreement. Recognizing their relationship. Recognize and use nouns that are written in plural form but are in fact singular. For example, scissors. What is pronoun antecedent? Let's see. Antecedent sound like a very big word, but it has a simple meaning. It simply means a word that comes before another particular word. Think of it as the ladder. The pronoun always follows the ladder. The golden rule of agreement: a pronoun must always agree with its antecedent. To make a perfect match, they must agree in three ways. First, agree with the person, then number, then gender. If they do not match exactly, the grammar rule is not followed. Matching for gender. First we have for gender, pronoun antecedent agreement. A feminine pronoun must always replace a feminine noun. For example, Rabia completed her work. Here the word her is feminine and Rabia is also a female. So that's why it must be agree with it. Then we have masculine. A masculine pronoun must always replace a masculine noun. For example, for Hassan, we always use his. Matching in number, if your subject is singular, means you have to look at how many things we are talking about. If your subject is singular, must replace it with a singular noun. For example, for a bird, we replace it with its. Its is used for singular pronoun. Then we have plural. When there is more than one, we use a plural match. A plural pronoun must replace a plural noun. For example, we use their for they. They is used for many people, matches their plural pronoun. Meet the plural only nouns. There are some nouns which are always used as a plural. Although they are looking singular, these words might look like a single item, but they are treated as a plural. For example, trousers, spectacles, measles, mumps, scissors, so on. Special plurals in action. Even you only have one pair, the word X plural. For example, have you seen my Googles? Here the word have is used with a plural pronouns or plural nouns, and goggles are also act as a plural. We use goggles instead of Google because they have two lenses. We have another example. Just like goggles, items with two legs or parts follow the same trick. I lost my blue trousers. Let's see the summary of our lecture. Remember, the antecedent is the word that comes before. Pronoun must agree in person, number, and gender. Watch out for tricky plural only noun like scissors and spectacles. Here's a formative check. Solve it in your class. And here's a homework. Solve it at your home. Okay, bachcho, I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Allah Hafiz.